So we're at that house where we had some bad drainage from the downspout the other day, and we're causing a lot of settlement here at the walkway. It looks like they did some repairs, so they took that downspout and instead of having it terminate there, they put it underground, went underneath the sidewalk. You can see they put a little French drain here, so that's a lot better than having it dump right there. And we got some downspout drainage on this side. It's a little bit more adequate than having it dump right next to the driveway, causing settlement up there. So I'm glad it goes out here because we've got a little bit of a drainage swale here, so the water can get away from the foundation and run out that way. That's good. And on the back side of this house, remember we had this drain downspout discharging right here. Well, they extended it a little bit farther and they found the hole. So this is the way it should have been done to begin with. Should have had this routing out where that irrigation line goes through that poly line. Should have had this grading and drainage like this from the beginning. Wouldn't have had all this happen. It amazes me though, we had a roofing company come in and do some patching. Really, you're just gonna patch this? You're supposed to bend these inside. This guy just come around and put some mastic on that. And instead of actually fixing the mortar caps, look at this. Why do you put a little caulking there, put a little bit of that there? You know, you can put this all on me for not calling out each item like specifically, but you got a roofer out here looking at all this stuff. And he didn't let you guys know. Look at this. Is this how you patch mortar caps? It's not even patched. You got a hole there, big hole there. What was the point of them charging $800 to come up here and do that? Oh, they put a storm collar on. They put some more of that white paint all over everything. And they call it mastic. It is thicker than paint, but quite literally, what are you doing here? What are you doing? You didn't fix anything. You just put a whole bunch of mastic on the top of this instead of wrapping that in there. Look how they fixed this tile. That's a great way to fix it, right? Just stick some white on it. How well do you think that's going to hold, actually? You see, this one doesn't have a metal jack that comes up over the top. This is a different design. This is where the water entry point is on this one. We don't have that metal that comes up and wraps into the pipe. So they put some mastic on it right there. I don't trust it, but he decided to wipe off all of his tools up here too. All over the place. Look at that. Is that how you patch a mortar cap? That's like the thinnest line of mastic. That's not going to do anything. You didn't even hit the crack on this one. What the hell? So I'm walking around up here trying to find this one slip tile that was cracked that they had to replace the underlayment in it. And that's what the invoice actually said, replace the underlayment. So I just looked for all the white marks and I was like, oh, maybe it's under this section. Pull up a couple tiles and I see all this white stuff under here. So this was our slip tile. Looks like they replaced it. They didn't replace the underlayment. That's for damn sure. Look at that. That's how you're gonna patch that? We can still see wood through there. I can still see wood through there. That's completely inadequate. That's ridiculous. So the seller paid $800 for this roofing company to come out and throw a whole bunch of mastic, white crap underneath this instead of replacing the underlayment. They were paid to patch mortar caps. I've actually got another cracked tile right there. And they were also supposed to put on a storm collar and patch up a bunch of these roof jacks. Looks terrible. I don't know what you're paying for. This is why you ask for money off instead of getting the seller to fix these things for you. Look at how half-assed that is. Thank God she got a reinspection.